Alright, so to replace the AC condenser, you remove these clips. It's a flathead. You just pry it open, pry it up some, get a Phillips, and then they come right off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this just comes apart. As you can see, there's the new AC condenser. You remove this. It's a 10 millimeter. This is a 10 millimeter. Pop off. Push the radiator back some. You remove these two lines. One, two. Remove those two lines. They're 13 millimeter. And when you move this radiator this way, it comes right out. Then you charge it up here. Make sure you're within specs. You should have cold AC.